Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you the cool things that you can do with Kahoot. I did this for the second step of the badge. So up here, I just did a background image. We're counting up and down to 10. So that's why we have the numbers and a title. So as you can see, these are the different questions I've created. You can go in and edit each one to do multiple answers and the correct answer. You can edit the time limit, etc. So up at the top, I'm going to press save. So here are some different options. So something that's kind of cool is the preview button. On the preview button, so this is what you would have on your, like the main screen, and then this is what each student would have on their technology device. So the game is going to pop up. We're going to play classic. Ready to join. And this game pen will come up so the students can have a chance to enter it on their phone, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Then they can put in a nickname. My whole name doesn't fit, so we're going to throw it up like that. And then you should see the student's name pop up on the screen. You can click out names if they're inappropriate or not a correct name of the student. So once everyone's in, you can press start. So on the screen, it's going to show what the question is asking first, and then it'll go into it. So for my specific Kahoot, they're supposed to look at the image and do what it's asking. So we're supposed to add the hot dog. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2 equals 8. So that means the red triangle is the correct answer. So hopefully the students would press the red triangle. So then after each question, it shows the students how many questions got it right, or how many students got the question right, how many got it wrong, and then you can move on to the next answer and such. For the timing, we're not going to play the entire Kahoot, but once you're done, you can click out, I'm done, and then it'll bring you back to this main screen of the Kahoots you've made. Up at the top, you will see this little bar that says reports. So you can click on that. Here is like the different titles. So since this is the second time I've played this game, I'm going to download this data. And I can pull it up on my screen. So right here, what it has is it has the total incorrect answers. This is an overview of information from the first time. Final scores, so if you have multiple players, what pace they ranked in, their name, their score, correct answers. So if you want to use it for grading or something, it can be helpful for that. And then there's a few more tabs down here. The question summary, logistics about question 1, and then the raw report of the data. So it can be really helpful. Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Bye.